Look at the high temperature today. 80 degrees, 80 big ones.
It felt it inside, too.
Oh, it was wonderful.
What a beautiful day it was, Hilton.
It was beautiful.
Hope we can perhaps replicate these for the next few days.
I'd like to see a string of these. We're not going to get days strung together as nice as today, but it's not going to be that bad a week either. 80 degrees our high today. The second time this spring we've gotten up to 80. 77 right now, the dew point 47 degrees. Barometric pressure is steady and winds are out of the south-southwest at 10 miles an hour. Bit of a sea breeze coming in. Early this morning we had dense fog, especially east of the Connecticut River. There were patches of fog everywhere, but bright blue skies appeared and the fog disappeared, and we're left with puffy white clouds and just a gorgeous day with a bit of a breeze and temperatures in the 70s most of the day, and finally getting up to 80 this afternoon. And a very spring-like pattern on our weather maps. As a matter of fact, our color satellite photo in shows a lot of big thunderstorms, a lot of humidity to our south, and clear skies in parts of the northeastern United States. And where skies are partly cloudy, there is no precipitation coming down. So it's a decent day in the northeast with breaks in the clouds and in a lot of places just plain clear skies. Some big thunderstorms down to our south, though. If we animate our cloud photo, you can see that the thunderstorms in the south are moving generally northeastward, and the entire mass of clouds identifies fairly well where the moist areas, and all of this is sliding toward us, and a weather front slipping down from the northwest is going to give us some precipitation later this week. Super radar outlines where the heavy precipitation is and where it isn't. Look at this. We don't have any rain shower activity at all being picked up on radar right now. We've got big thunderstorms over the Florida Peninsula, kind of summer thunderstorm weather, and a lot of wet weather over the Gulf Coast states with the radar echoes showing some real heavy thunderstorms, and then another area of showers with a weather front that is going to be moving toward us. Cool, dry air heading toward us will affect our weather sometime around the middle of the week, but we are going to remain warm and dry for the rest of the evening and through much of tomorrow before the warm, humid air begins to affect us. The folks out in Utah are finally getting a breather. The temperatures were just right this past week. They had cool conditions. The weather was mostly dry, and that allowed the big snowpack to melt gradually. So the flood threat has diminished, but they're still concerned about mudslides out in Utah. For tomorrow, warm, humid air sweeping toward us. Chance of a shower, but the better opportunity for rain will come on Wednesday when this cool front to our west moves through with thunderstorms. Our temperatures right now, kind of summery with bright blue skies, sunshine prevailing, temperatures in the high 70s to mid 60s depending on where you are, 65 degrees in Groton, New London at the present time. And for the next 3 days our temperatures will gradually be declining, but not precipitously. Highs tomorrow in the mid 70s, around 70 on Wednesday, and the upper 60s for Thursday. Here's the Travelers Weather Service forecast in detail in for tonight. Fair and mild, again, a repeat of fog, but not as dense tomorrow morning as it was this morning. Lows in the 50s. Tomorrow, a partly cloudy, partly sunny day with just a chance of an afternoon shower. Highs 70 to 75. And looking ahead to tomorrow night, partly cloudy and mild, lows near 60. Wednesday will become cloudy with showers and thunder showers developing. That's the best chance for rain we have this week. Highs around 70. And that cool air moving in for Thursday with clearing and cooler conditions, and highs in the 60s for Thursday. So typical spring weather, about a change a day, and some of the days feeling pretty nice, Pat.
Almost like summer, though, with the humidity, the dew point getting up as high as it is.
Dew point's getting up. It was kind of down today, but it'll be up there the next couple of days.
Okay, we're getting ready for it. Thank you, Hilton.
Thanks,
Dave Smith will be joining us next, and